Ever wondered why your business isn't ranking on the first page of Google in 2024? In the ever-evolving digital landscape, the struggle to stay on top of search engine optimization, or SEO, is a common challenge faced by businesses. It's akin to a high-stakes game of chess, where Google is your formidable opponent and the rules are constantly changing. You see, SEO is more than just stuffing your content with keywords or having a ton of backlinks. It's about understanding the algorithms, the trends, and the user intent. It's about delivering value and ensuring your website is technically sound. It's about consistency, patience, and strategic planning. In 2024, SEO is not just a tool, but a necessity. It's not just about visibility, but about credibility and user experience. So if you're not on the first page of Google, you're essentially invisible. So, what's the secret to dominating SEO in 2024? Let's dive into it. Remember the days when stuffing your website with keywords was enough to rank high? Those were simpler times, weren't they? But like all things digital, SEO has evolved at an astonishing pace. In the early 2000s, search engine optimization was a fairly straightforward process. The more you repeated your target keywords, the higher your page would rank. But this system was far from perfect. It led to a flood of low-quality content designed to trick the algorithms rather than provide value to the user. Then came the first wave of change. In 2003, Google introduced its Florida update. This was a game changer. The update penalized sites for keyword stuffing and over-optimization, forcing businesses to focus more on providing quality content. Fast forward to 2010, Google introduced another significant update called Caffeine. This wasn't just about penalizing bad practices anymore. Caffeine was about speed. It rewarded websites that were faster and had more frequently updated content. And then in 2013, the Hummingbird update rolled out. This was arguably the biggest shift in SEO yet. Google started considering the context of search queries, not just the keywords. It began to understand user intent, marking the dawn of semantic search. Over the next decade, we saw a series of updates, each more sophisticated than the last. Mobile optimization, voice search, artificial intelligence, user experience, the list goes on. Each update has pushed SEO towards one overarching goal: to provide the most relevant and high-quality results to users. It's been a wild ride, hasn't it? SEO has transformed from a simple game of keyword repetition into a complex, multifaceted discipline. It's no longer about tricking the algorithms, it's about understanding them, working with them, and ultimately creating content that provides real value to your audience. Now fast forward to 2024, the game has changed significantly. Want to know the secret to SEO in 2024? Understand Google's mind. Unraveling the mystery of Google's algorithm isn't as daunting as it seems. It's all about appreciating what Google values most: a high-quality user experience. Google's algorithm, a sophisticated and dynamic code, is designed to deliver the most relevant and useful content to users. In the grand scheme of things, Google's primary concern is not your website or business, but the end users who are using the search engine to find answers. The algorithm is constantly evolving, learning, and adapting to ensure it meets the ever-changing needs of users. It's essentially a digital Sherlock Holmes, using complex clues and patterns to determine the relevance and quality of millions of websites. But unlike Sherlock, Google's algorithm doesn't have a weakness for violin music or a penchant for deerstalker hats. Instead, it has a fondness for top-notch content and a well-structured website. Google's algorithm is a stickler for quality. It values websites that are user-friendly, mobile-optimized, and filled with valuable original content. It's like a gourmet chef, always on the hunt for the finest ingredients to create the perfect user experience. Moreover, Google's algorithm values authenticity and rewards websites that provide a genuine value to users. It's not easily fooled by black hat SEO tactics or keyword stuffing. It can sniff out these underhanded techniques faster than you can say search engine optimization. So trying to trick Google's algorithm is a futile exercise, akin to trying to outwit a grandmaster at chess. And it's not just about the content on your website. Google also looks at how users interact with your site. If users leave quickly, it's a sign that your site may not be providing the value they're seeking. This is why a focus on user experience is paramount. So how do you ensure your website meets Google's standards? Let's find out. Now let's uncover the secrets to SEO success in 2024. In the ever-evolving world of SEO, the year 2024 is no different. There are several key factors influencing SEO this year, and we're going to dive into 4 of them: mobile-first indexing, core web vitals, keyword relevance, and content quality. Let's start with mobile-first indexing. In the age of smartphones and tablets, it's no surprise that Google has switched to mobile-first indexing. This means that the mobile version of your website is what Google uses for indexing and ranking. If your website isn't mobile-friendly, it's time to make that a priority. A mobile-friendly website doesn't just mean that it's viewable on a mobile device, it also means that it's optimized for mobile performance. Fast load times, easy navigation, and user-friendly design are all crucial. Next, let's talk about core web vitals. These are a set of metrics that Google uses to measure user experience on a website. They include loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability. Google believes that a good user experience is fundamental to a website's success, so it's important to optimize these aspects of your website. If your website is slow, unresponsive, or visually unstable, it's going to harm your SEO. Now on to keyword relevance. Keywords are the heart of SEO, but it's not just about stuffing your content with as many keywords as possible. Google's algorithms are smarter than that. They're looking for keyword relevance. This means that your content needs to be relevant to the keywords you're targeting. It's not enough to just use the keyword. Your content needs to provide valuable information related to that keyword. Finally, we have content quality. Content is king in the world of SEO, and that hasn't changed in 2024. Google's algorithms are designed to promote high-quality original content. This means that your content needs to be well-written, informative, and engaging. It should provide value to the reader and not just be a vehicle for keywords. By understanding these factors, you can tailor your SEO strategy to match what Google is looking for. Mobile-first indexing means optimizing your website for mobile devices. Core Web Vitals means focusing on user experience. Keyword relevance means creating content that is truly relevant to your target keywords. And content quality means creating content that is valuable and engaging. These are not quick fixes, but rather long-term strategies. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building a solid foundation and then continually improving and adapting as SEO trends evolve. By understanding and implementing these factors, you'll be well on your way to SEO domination. So there you have it, the secrets to dominating SEO in 2024. We've journeyed through the complex labyrinth of SEO, traced its evolution, peeked into Google's thought process, and finally unlocked the secrets to SEO success. We've discovered that the SEO game isn't about tricking search engines or short-term gains. It's about providing genuine value, building a strong foundation, and continuously adapting to change. The story of SEO evolution showed us that what worked yesterday might not work today, and certainly may not work tomorrow. We've seen how Google's mind is focused on serving its users the best possible content that fulfills their search intent. That's why understanding your audience, their needs, and how Google interprets those needs is key. In the Secrets to SEO Success, we emphasize the importance of quality content, the power of backlinks, and the role of technical SEO. But remember, these aren't just checkboxes to tick off once and forget about. They're ongoing efforts. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. But don't let the length of the race intimidate you. Each step you take is a step closer to your goal. Start by examining your current SEO strategy. Is it centered around your audience? Are you providing valuable, quality content? How's your backlink game? And is your website technically sound? Once you've answered these questions, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. Apply these SEO strategies, monitor your progress, adjust as necessary, and watch your online presence grow. It's a brave new SEO world out there in 2024, and it's yours for the taking. So go forth, apply these strategies, and conquer the digital landscape. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the ever-evolving world of SEO. Here's to your SEO success in 2024.